Sorry, sidetracked. Basically, guys, I'm here today to make this short video on how I have been using my triple screen monitor setup, my steering wheel and my pedals to make sim driving content. Now, the first step to making sim driving content is I am going to go over to this monitor real quick and I'm going to show you how I've been making. You have to download NVIDIA something to do. It's called, if you type in NVIDIA Surround, you'll get this program right here, and in the middle it says start the following surround configuration. You can look at a YouTube video up on how to do that. That's if you've got a triple monitor setup and you can't get your games to work on your triple monitor setup. You can get your driving sim games to come up on all three screens through NVIDIA Surround, because usually just pushing out 3 screens worth of content would murder your graphics card. Sorry, it's a bad way to put it, but it would cause a lot of stress on your graphics card. Whereas using NVIDIA Surround, this program right here, it converts all 3 monitors. So this monitor, this monitor, that monitor, and that monitor, it converts all 3 of them into one monitor. So it makes it think it's one monitor. It's 5,760 pixels by 1080, yeah, whatever it is, by 1080 pixels. Yeah, that's right. So it's 1080 by 5760. The other way around, 5760 by 1080. And that's from this side of the monitor right all the way over all the way over here to all the way over there, like I'm saying. All the way over there. I'm getting my fingers mixed up. I'm just pointing behind me and doing circles. But yeah, the first step is to download Surround. Second step is to open the game and then configure the game to work alongside Surround. So what you want to be doing is making sure you go into your settings, scroll down to resolution, and then just scroll all the way down and then pick 5760 by 1080p, and that will give you your HD surround sound screens, and that will put your game from this side to this side all the way. Make sure there's no fussing and messing about. Press apply and your telly will pop up. Secondly, I have been using a GoPro to film on my head. I've been filming a POV perspective. I haven't been filming through OBS or anything like that, even though I have got it. I've got the software. I just haven't been using OBS. I would have to use, and I could use Premiere Pro because I have got Premiere Pro and I do know how to use Premiere Pro, but I'd have to log into my account, and I'm pretty sure, I don't know what I did, if I paid for 1 year and got the program forever, or if I paid for the program for 1 year. I don't know. I'd have to re-download it all, and Premiere Pro takes a long time to download, and it's probably done a lot of updates since I've last used it. I last used it in like 2017, and it's now 2024, so there's probably been a lot of updates since then. I just really don't want to get back into it when I came across something on the iPhone called CapCut. So CapCut is an app where I can take all the media from a GoPro, because if you use a GoPro, you can connect them to your iPhone anyway through an iPhone app called Quick. It used to be on a GoPro app, but if you type in on the App Store now, GoPro app, Quick is the first thing that comes up, and it's the app that links your GoPro to the to your phone. So I've been using Quick to record all the content through the GoPro onto the phone, well, download it from the GoPro onto the phone, and then I just use CapCut. So I use CapCut to edit the edit the videos if I ever need to, and because it's mainly POV content that I'm doing, so it's not really like long chopped up videos. It's just one straightforward video that just needs recording off the GoPro, but I still use CapCut to download the video and edit little tweaks here and there, and then put it up on YouTube. But mainly, this is what I've been using, is a GoPro attached to a hat like this, and this is how I've been capturing all my content through the hat, through the camera hat, through the eye of the yeah, through the camera hat. I don't know what I was even coming up with there. The eye of the sky, I was gonna say, but it's not. It's the it's like a POV camera, isn't it? It's not like a big webcam behind me like this that's capturing everything. But that would be cool. That's another, you know, another idea. Get a big tripod and put my phone behind me like this so you guys can see everything that's going on. See all the crazy arm movements that I do when I'm trying to counter steer, because I've been trying to make a lot of drifting content, but my files keep corrupting because I like to drift for a long time, and when you go over a certain amount of time on your GoPro, it just corrupts your files. Well, it does on my one because I've got quite an old GoPro, but I'm rambling, guys. So basically, once I've taken the video from GoPro using the Quick app into CapCut, I edit the video and then I can download it from Quick, download onto the phone, and then it's in my photos and videos then on my iPhone. So then I can just take it, go into the iPhone, YouTube, and press upload, and I just put the video onto YouTube from there, put the description, put the title, and I can come back to my PC later and manage everything from the PC. I could do that all while trying to generate new content. I could just, you know, like how the GoPro is here now, I could just press record on the GoPro in the hat. If I could find the button, I've put it in sideways because I was just, you know, being quick to make the video, but normally the button's at the bottom and I'm all organised. So normally I could just press the button on the GoPro and I could record another video. In terms of making more content for the Sim channel, I have just downloaded the Japanese highway with traffic on Assetto Corsa. That's a map I really used to like playing. I'm going to be making some content on there for you guys. I also want to get, so how the you're going to laugh at this, guys, but how the GoPro's rigged to the hat at the moment, I'm using, pardon me guys, some duct tape and some Velcro wrapped around the GoPro. Now it works a charm, it works an absolute charm, but the GoPro gets hot and it only has 2 hours of battery life. So what I want to do is I want to mount it slightly differently with tape coming off the back of it, and then I want to run a wire from the hat down into an outlet so I can do a really long drive on Euro Truck for you guys, because I could do a lot of short driving on Euro Truck, but I've just thought about the files corrupting as well. Well, I can also do it through OBS. I could run the... so this is problems that you've got to face in real time. So if you want to record long videos with the GoPro, what you could do is you could download some software. You can also YouTube this because I had to. I've not downloaded the software myself yet, so I can't talk you guys through it quickly. I don't know how to do it myself, but you could download some software on the PC that connects your GoPro to your OBS studios like a webcam studio. Like a web camera, yeah. And basically, when you're using the webcam on OBS Studios, you can make it your full display because it's a 1080p display, and you can record your files to your GoPro. I just realised my tellies are trying to turn off. Let's sort this problem together. Let's fix it. Boom. Stop it. Stop it. There we go, more advertisements. So, back to the point. We can use the GoPro right here, rigged up to... I've already got the cable, to be fair, a really long, super long cable. My phone's on 10%, guys. I've got a super long cable here. Super long. It's about 2.5 meters or 2 meters or something like that. I don't know. But basically, I'm going to rig that up to an outlet, and when that's rigged up to the outlet, I could use the software from OBS to record the longer forms of content like drifting and Euro Truck, and possibly even some cutting up on the Shitoko Highway, I'm pretty sure it's called, in Japan, on Assetto Corsa. Now, that will be over on the Sim Racing channel. But if you guys are here from the Podge channel, take a dive over to the Sim Racing channel and see some of the content I've been pushing out using that previous method I've just been speaking about with the GoPro on the Quick app with the iPhone. And if you've got a GoPro yourself and even a Sim Racing setup, have a go yourself, try it, see what it's like. If not, push out your own content. Maybe you go for bike rides, maybe you do fishing, whatever you do, if you have a GoPro and want to make content with an iPhone, there's your perfect option. You can even, while you've got the GoPro on your, person, make separate content, because if you're recording separately on the GoPro, you can always connect your phone to the GoPro after using the quick app. That still download the footage, and you can use your phone as a secondary camera, like I was suggesting with the camera up here. Now that would be easier if I was using OBS to record the videos. So there's a lot to think about when making videos, a lot to think about, especially when editing videos too. A free editing software for iPhone is silly me guys, is CapCut. CapCut's free for the basic edition anyway. There's a paid version within CapCut that gives you a lot more features, and these are just like simple things like when you're making animations. But if you're just making one long video, you don't even need to pay for it, which is basically all I'm doing at the minute with this channel and this channel. As you can see, there's no cuts in this video. I've not been cutting videos. Well, in fact, I have. In fact, I can show you some of the free features that you can achieve with CapCut really quickly. Never mind, guys. Never mind. You can take yourself over to the Sim YouTube channel and see. It's called Sim Driver, at Sim Driver on YouTube. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check it out, and you can see some of the content you can create using Quick, GoPro app, and CapCut. Super simple, super easy. Get yourself involved if you've got one. And until next time, guys, you take care.